Hi everyone, welcome back to another sewing tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can change direction whilst sewing. Here we have our piece of material and we are just going to place that underneath our presser foot and lower the presser foot down, and then we are going to start to sew a straight stitch. So we need to make sure that our dial is on the correct length stitch that we want to perform, and when we're ready we are just going to start to sew. When we come to a point where we may need to change direction, we need to first make sure that our needle is still inside our fabric, and if it isn't, then just move the wheel at the side and make sure that the needle is inside the material. Then we're going to raise our presser foot and we are going to pivot our material round and then lower the presser foot again, and then now we are just going to proceed to sew in a straight line. Once we reach a point again where we may need to change direction, again we're going to make sure the needle is inside of the fabric. Lift the presser foot and pivot the material around and then lower the presser foot again and proceed to sew. Once you've come to the end, you can do a back stitch if you wish, if that's all you need to sew, or you can again make sure the needle is in the machine and continue to sew around. But once you've finished, raise the presser foot, move the material from your machine, and there we can see that we have sewn a straight stitch. We have then changed direction, sewn again and changed direction. That's allowed us to change direction while sewing, and it looks absolutely flawless. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you are, then please check out the other Sing a Promise sewing tutorials in this playlist, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon.